Is this Hermes torture device? I've never seen someone do an unboxing of this, so here we go. As you may or may not know, I love my Hermes animal charms. This one too. They don't make them anymore, so I was looking at this item, which they actually do still make. Vintage versions of these two, which I was actually thinking about getting because I like the box that the vintage ones come in. I thought this would be a very cute addition. This is how it comes in a little dust bag like jewelry. And here it is. Now, what is this Hermes torture device, you might be asking? It is in fact not a torture device, but a glove clip. It goes round strap of a bag like this. It opens, hold a pair of gloves. It like this. I much prefer it just on its own as a charm, or I don't think I ever said the real name of it. It's called the Filou glove clip. Here's the vintage box with an insert, and they don't do this anymore. People use it to hold glasses, but it also adds an opportunity for some color if you want to use a scarf on it, or even to use the chain to add other charms. Such a fun little addition, and I just love the shine and I love a charm. And here is a close-up.